Welcome to my cozy fall morning routine. I kind of have to be a little delusional about the fall season because it is gonna be like 80 degrees today. Despite that fact, I'm still in the fall spirit. At least at night here in LA, it gets to like 60s, which is really nice, very refreshing. And it's almost October, and it's my favorite time of the year, Halloween. So I need to like lock in and get into fall mode because even though my environment says otherwise, it is fall. It's the end of September when I'm filming this, and I've been waiting months for this season, so let us indulge. Honestly, I am gonna have a very chill morning. I already did my skincare. I also straightened my hair a little bit. I actually did not do that good of a job. Okay, whatever. And I just want to have a typical morning in my life with some little fall elements sprinkled in. Also, guys, something very exciting. I officially have a membership page on my YouTube account. You can subscribe to a membership with me, and it's $5 a month. As a member, you have a lot of different perks. So one of them is that you get a special little like emoji next to your name, and I customize them to be Sanrio characters. You get one for being a new member, then it changes after a month, and then after 2 months you get Hello Kitty. Like, so freaking cute. And there's also custom emojis you can use that are also Sanrio. You'll have like a members only community page where I'm going to be posting behind the scenes content and pictures, kind of like a private story. I'm also going to start live streaming a bit, and there will be like members only chat rooms, and you guys get shout outs, which is super cool. So if you're interested, highly recommend getting a membership. It helps me out a lot. I can talk to you guys more one-on-one, and you can definitely give me all your opinions on my content and stuff you want to see. So if you're not a member, become a member. But anyway, I am gonna make myself a pumpkin spice iced coffee. I was gonna make it hot, but I think that's gonna make me feel too warm. Maybe that's more a winter vibe, because right now the sun is shining, which I'm so thankful for, but it's a little warm. It's a little warm. Let's make a nice coffee, and then we're gonna do some light fall makeup just to feel more put together. Let's do a little mini get ready with me while we chit chat. You guys already know I'm going in with the Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline, and my foundation brush is by Wet n Wild. I kind of want to have just a little talk about confidence, self-care, etc. Because recently I have been struggling with my confidence, and not even necessarily in the physical sense, but I'm just at the age where I'm still young, but I'm trying to build a life for myself, and I'm like discovering my skill sets and how I want to evolve in my career. I just haven't been feeling the best in my confidence in myself and my skills. I've just been second guessing myself a lot and just doubting my capabilities, and I feel like that is one of the most common things for everybody. So if you're going through that, you're not the only one. I think I'm going to start holding myself more accountable for my actions, the way I treat myself, the way I treat my career. I do think that my priorities have been kind of all over the place, and it's been hard, you know, living on my own, trying to find a balance between work, friendships, and all my goals. And honestly, I'm not sure what the right balance is, but I'm on the journey to find it. One thing that I do want to really ingrain in my routine a little bit more is much less screen time. For example, like this morning, I only looked at my phone to check the time and make sure I didn't have any really important emails, and then I didn't go back on. And this is honestly gonna sound really funny, but like I went to the bathroom, I did my little bathroom things. Sometimes I'll be sitting there and I'm like, let me just go on my phone and scroll a little bit, but I didn't, and I just sat there. I had a moment without the phone when I usually will bring it out for some extra entertainment. As I was journaling today, I felt like I had so much creativity just coming out of me, and I do feel like me not scrolling immediately really had something to do with that. And it's something that I do notice throughout my day. If I'm on my phone a lot without a purpose, I feel physically and emotionally tired, and I'm sure, you know, it's the fast-paced content coming through, as well as the blue light, and just having so much information all at once. And it's so much easier said than done to just put down the phone and go do something else. I think that is one of the biggest things that is really going to help my mental health and my sense of self, because I've been thinking a lot recently about being in high school, and you know, obviously I would use my phone a lot in high school as well, but I do think there was more room for creative exploration somehow, and I wouldn't be glued to my phone. And today I had a sense of creativity that made me just want to like still use technology, like go on my computer but actually create things. And that's a feeling that I haven't necessarily felt in a while because my life is so different now than from when I was living at home. You know, I have so much more to do. I have to work, I have to do things for my career, like my plate is very full. I want to remind myself that there is still room for exploration and creativity, and the time that I spend scrolling on my phone can be spent being bored and discovering new things while being bored. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing my makeup. Enjoy the time lapse. Okay, makeup is done. I also put on a little necklace just because I was actually taking thumbnail pictures and I feel like this looked really cute. I really like getting my morning work done as quickly as possible, or at least start and feel more productive that way. But before we do that, I need to clean up the living room a little bit because it's definitely not looking its best. So I'm gonna lint roll the couch and wipe down the table. But I got this brand new Meyer's Acorn Spice cleaning spray and it smells so freaking good. And it's so funny because I have this Meyer's thing like on my vision board for the month, which is so random, but I'm glad I found it. I got it at Target and it smells so freaking good, and I'm gonna use it as much as I can because it makes the apartment smell like fall, and that's all I want. Let's get cleaning. Alright guys, I got some work done, feel good about that. It is time to hit the gym, but I'm gonna be so real with you guys, okay? A few weeks ago, I freaking fell down the stairs and hurt my tailbone. Nothing too bad, like it's definitely not broken. It hurts. It's very much still bruised. I haven't been able to really work on my glutes because stuff like squats and deadlifts really agitate it. But yesterday I did like a full body Pilates and I was able to do lunges and glute bridges, so I'm just gonna try to focus on some weighted lower body that doesn't totally hurt my tailbone because, you know, I don't want to lose my gains, you feel? So that's the plan. We're gonna make it work, maybe do a little bit of abs, get some endorphins in. Let's do it. Feeling like a fan fiction character right now because I got my hair in a messy bun. I'm feeling clean and I'm about to start reading. I showed you this in my last vlog, but I just got A Court of Mist and Fury. I want to try hard to like speed through this book. I haven't really gotten off to a great start. I've gotten 5 pages in probably, which is not what we're going for. I think one of the best autumn activities that you can indulge in is definitely reading, especially when it's getting cold outside. It's just so cozy, and having especially a physical book while it's cold and you're like bundled up in a jacket, I think that is one of the best feelings in the entire world. So I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna do a time lapse and see how long I can read for before I have to start doing some work again. And I think after this book I want to read the sequel to Empire of the Vampire finally, because I've had it for like 8 months and I haven't read it, but now that, you know, it's a darker season coming up, I think that'll help get me into the mood for winter, fall, etc. But also, can't forget to moisturize. This is just the moisturizer by My Method. Also, I'm gonna light this little candle. I got this at the dollar store. You can see it in my fall prep vlog. I got one of these last year in like a brownish orange color, and they smell really good.